dude! Nailed it! It's Chewbacca! Of course! I officially graduated! Yeah! Woo! This reminds me of... Dude, nailed it! Oh yeah! Woo! My first song is about to happen! We go! Welcome to Spin That Bottle! Woo! Let's get to spin the bottle. Here we go! Alright! We're gonna do drive a car and honk the horn! Woo! Let's go, baby! Woo! We're gonna drive! Yeah! Let's go out there! Woo! Okay! Alright! I know this is weird, but this is like, time change already? Well, what now is about 12:47. What now is time change here? Wow, that's great. We're like off time for this. We're gonna do that for this week and other week. This is a good year of 2024. Now, of course, well, this is going for this song about to happen, and of course, we're gonna do something that's amazing. Chewbacca told me once, we're gonna do drive a car and honk the horn. Oh my goodness! Here we go! Boom, baby! And we're so excited about this. I'm gonna put some epic sounds, of course. That is so cool! Oh my goodness! I'm so excited about this. Alright, we're gonna drive! Woo! Alright! We did it! Here we go! Alright, we're to end this video of Spin That Bottle! Oh my goodness! Woo! Excuse me about that cough. Alright! If you're not really dude, nailed it, subscriber, please subscribe on my channel. Click right here on dude, nailed it right here. And from the last video, a brand new video is answers to questions. Questions and answers. Short video. Click right here. And of course, you probably saw last recent video is ping pong trick shot video. Click right here. I nailed it and I pounded. And see you next time.